Hi everyone, I'm Kanani. I'm a senior at Menlo College, and this summer I had the opportunity to intern with the Menlo Conference Services team as a coordinator. This summer I had lots of responsibilities, one of which was developing the summer internship housing and helping interns as they were staying here. The other project I focused on this summer was implementing sustainability initiatives and doing my own outreach and research throughout the summer. This internship has helped me to grow professionally and personally. Professionally, I've learned more etiquette on how to coordinate with people, reach out to higher ups and have these conversations that are definitely important and going to impact Menlo in the future. So that's been something I've been working on. Another thing is communication and confidence, just being able to, have a presence in the room and make sure that I'm aware of where I am and I'm making an impact on everyone around me. Some of the transferable skills that I've developed throughout my time at Menlo is being a student athlete, knowing how to manage my academics with my athletics, the time commitment that both of them require. It's been able to help me prepare for this internship as I'm dealing with many projects at once. I'm working with different individuals, different heads of companies or organizations, and that's helped me to manage everything at one time. For all fellow students preparing for internships, I think it's really important to go into the workplace open and with curiosity and being okay with not knowing all the answers. You're not going to know everything, you're not going to know all the platforms, the people, but just being open to new experiences and putting yourself out there and making those connections is crucial.